Ito nga pala yung part 4. Ito na po. And meron akong frutos na melon. Ayan o, melon.
It's a parkour course where you have to hop from one part to the next. Whoa! Now that the parkour is done, I'll go back to making the rails.
Thank you.
Okay, that part is done too. What should I do next? I know. The bouncing slime blocks were fun, so I'll use slime launchers to climb up this next part. So now, I'll make a drop off here. I'll extend this out and build the jumping platforms like this.
A-M-N-F-I.
Now I'll place rails and hook up a redstone circuit down here.
Ito nga pala, pupunta nga pala siya sa school.
And I'll build another
Si
slime
Manalo
launcher over
din.
here.
Oo nga pala, yung kapatid ko, meron na kasing gift. Tingnan mo. Dadalahin ko ikaw. Aanuin ko muna. Labo. Ito nga pala yung damitan ko. Ito yung ano ko. Gift ni Shansho. Apa! Ay, binigay na pala yung ano. Sarap na ito.
Alright. Down here, I'll leave one space open. What should I do here? Oh, I can make them choose between two paths. First, I'll divide the room with blocks of glass.
Sarap. Sorry nga pala, natuloy na yung ano.
And I'm placing another minecart.
Hindi na pala natuloy yung parang bus, school bus. Walang pasok sila. Part 5, ito nga pala. Coming right now, and thank you so much. Double tap because it's my birthday. Thank you so much.